This is one of the few Instax camera that records your footage onto a memory card. So the memory card is down here, and then you get to pick and choose which footage you want to print out. Yeah. So yeah, you got a memory card in there, got USB-C right here where you can charge the battery. I like that a lot. I don't have to swap out batteries, you know, like some of the other Instax camera. But yeah, this is my go-to Fuji camera right here when I want some retro look. There's a lot going on here, guys, and when I first played around with this, I didn't realize how much options you have. Okay, so let me just walk you through that real quick, just really quick. So on and off is going to be right here. Okay, so it opens that up. Now the one thing is, you don't realize that you think that you're holding it this way to shoot, right? No, you don't. You actually have to turn it aside. The entire camera is designed to shoot vertical like this. Yep. So the print is up here. It comes out of here. And if you want a picture print, you would select it on here, and then you would slide this thing out, and it would print this little thing right here. Okay, so that's the basic, but then let's go into the more advanced stuff. The more advanced stuff is that there's so many different options on here that you probably don't realize. This knob right here, it controls the film, on how the film look. Okay, so I'm gonna get really close here so you guys can see this. So when I flip it, there's number 2, vivid, number 3, pale, canvas, monochrome, so different film style. Alright, so the two that I use quite a bit is normal and retro, number 10. Those are the two. And then the combo of the film style along with you twisting this front right here. This thing right here, once you twist it, it changes to different quote-unquote mode. So look at this, okay? Let me, oops, I think it ran out of battery. Oh man, I actually forgot to charge this thing from our Six Flag trip. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys really quickly. So if you swap this right here, you change different lens, so it does different things. Okay, so half frame, double exposure, mirror, light leak. I love the light leak, by the way. If you're out in the sun, try the light leak. It looks really good. Mirror mode, double exposure, normal. So you got the vignette going. There's soft focus. I use that one. The blur, I don't really use that one. Fisheye, I actually use this fisheye one, and it works quite a bit. So that's nice. Color shift is cool. You got to play around with that. But anyway, yeah. So that in combination with the film, so you put those two together and bam, you get yourself this unique look that's on here. That's all recorded. All the pictures are recorded onto a SD card. So that's the big one right there. You don't have to print it right away. You can see how it looks first before you print it. And I like this feature a lot. All that to me in a really compact Instax camera. This is a printer, okay? So don't think that this is not. This is a printer. And look how compact this thing is, in my opinion. It looks great, by the way. Has this leathery look to it. This is not leather, by the way. It is still plastic, but it does have that look to it. One more thing. So the shutter button is right here on top, but then also the shutter button is also right here as well, because like I was mentioning earlier, this is a vertical camera, so you would hold it like this and you would press this button right here to take a picture. Yeah, the little things that they do to this camera, I'm just totally floored. I love it. Love it. Oh, did I also mention that there's a tripod mount down here as well? Why? Why do you need a tripod mount? I don't know. Anyway, yeah, really nice little camera. I've been using it for a couple of years and totally recommend it if you are looking to upgrade your Instax camera.